day 288 meditation on speaking mindlessly. The problem of language is found in many other fields as well. In politics, for example, politicians develop simple policies to deal with complex problems that are linked to many different factors. They act as if they would find solutions by means of concepts and words such as Marxism, socialism, liberalism, protectionism, and so on. Amongst the host of causes and conditions responsible for any given situation, they isolate one or two and fail to take the others into account. They therefore never find an adequate response, and misunderstandings are eminently possible. In my view, this in itself is the source of many problems. Unfortunately, we have no option but to use words and concepts.